This outpost is in danger from the First Order. Thank you for joining the cause, and may the Force be with us.
You ready?
Are you?
I think this might be the single greatest culmination of effects and ride technology that has ever been done.
That was great. That was amazing.
There are no words to describe what I just experienced.
It was like you were in the movie. This is like you were right in it. And that's what makes this ride so special, I think.
It's so much better than anything I was expecting. It's so immersive and real. I don't know. It's by far the best ride I've ever ridden. It just exceeds all expectations.
You won't get us, Kylo Ren!